chapter 4, writing with styles and colors. So we are doing this chapter. In the last class we already seen some options from this formatting toolbar we have in OpenOffice Writer. That is how to open format toolbar and what are the different options we have, like font name, font sizes, how to bold the text, how to italic text and underline. So these are the options: superscript, subscript. So now we move to the next options we have in OpenOffice Writer. So let's start. Format paintbrush. So why we use format paintbrush in OpenOffice Writer? So it is used to copy and apply the font properties like font size, background, font style, etc. So format paintbrush tool, we used it to copy formatting text from a text selection in Writer or from an object and apply the formattings to another text selection or objects. So we just copy and apply the font properties in through this option, that is format paintbrush we have in OpenOffice Writer. So what are the steps to use paintbrush? Step 1, just select the text with all the formattings. So what we have to do, just select the text in Writer or objects with all the formattings. And then step 2, just click on paintbrush icon. You will find this paintbrush icon on standard bar. So from the standard bar, click on format paintbrush icon. Step 3, you will find there the cursor is now changed to a color fill pointer. So what will you see the difference? The cursor is now changed to a color fill pointer. And step 4, just select the text to apply the formattings. So by following these steps, you use the format paintbrush in OpenOffice Writer. Next options we have about spelling and grammar. So from this option we can manually check the spelling and grammar of a text selection or the entire document. So we can check our spellings and grammars from our document. So for using this spelling and grammar options, we have to follow some steps. Steps to check the spellings and grammars. Just step 1, that is select text or click on the document. So what we have to do, we have to click in the document or select the text that we want to check. Okay. Step 2, just click on tools and from there choose spelling and grammar option. So you have to choose tools and then select the spelling and grammar option. Step 3, if found any errors, the spell check dialog box will open. So you'll find there, when a possible spelling error is encountered, the spell check dialog box open, and OpenOffice org offers some suggestions of correction also. So next we have autocorrect, that is automatically checking the spellings. So for applying this option, that is automatically checking the spellings, autocorrect, we have to follow the steps given below to check the spellings automatically. Just activate the auto spell check icon on the standard toolbar. Okay, you have to activate the auto spell check icon from standard toolbar, and now you will find there incorrect word are shown by a red wavy underline. Okay, so whatever the incorrect word, you will find there a red wavy underline is there, and then choose a suggestion for replacement word from the list or from the autocorrect submenu. So just right click on the word and choose the correct word. So that's very simple. That's how we use this option, that is autocorrect from OpenOffice Writer.